How to lodge the IT ticket. Compose a new email using either the Outlook web application or the Outlook desktop application. In the To field, enter the email address etiquette@consultancy.com.au. In the CC field you have the option to include respective staff members based on the nature of your concern. However, please refrain from including students' email accounts in the CC field if the ticket is regarding their accounts. Please note that this ticketing portal is intended for staff use only. For students from other RTOs, they can contact their Student Support Team, SST, to relay their concerns on their behalf. For AIBT students, they have their dedicated portal, which is helpdesk@hglobal.edu.au. Additionally, if the account issue is not related to ICT concerns, it is recommended to refrain from including IT team in the CC field. This ensures that only the relevant parties are involved in the communication and avoids unnecessary notifications or confusion for others who may not be directly involved in the matter. In the subject line, choose a specific and concise subject that summarizes the main issue. In the body of the email, provide a thorough description of the problem or request. Include relevant information such as error messages, steps to reproduce the issue, and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. If applicable, attach any relevant screenshots, error logs, or supporting documentation to help the IT team better understand and resolve the issue promptly. Once you have provided all the necessary details, review the email to ensure accuracy and completeness. Send to submit the IT ticket to etiquette@consultancy.com.au. By following these steps and providing clear and concise information, you will enable the IT team to understand and address the issues effectively, leading to a smoother ticket resolution process and better outcomes. Thanks for watching.